guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking for a little help on a busy day getting a meal on the table, then definitely check out BeanVIVO Organics. This is the Baja black beans, and this is a little microwavable pouch. You can also cook the beans on the stovetop, but the pouch makes it really simple. And they taste amazing. And what I love about them is they're just made with simple, clean ingredients, things that you would cook with at home and no chemicals. And they're just tasty and really easy to prepare. These are a perfect little side dish. You can serve them with rice, you could put them in a taco or burrito, or you could just have them on their own. They're a great little bite and they give you a lot of plant-based protein. So in this one pouch, there are 2 servings and each serving has 7 grams of protein. So it's a great way to add a little extra protein to your diet in a very tasty and super convenient way, and something that you can feel good about eating. So I would definitely recommend these, and that is my point of view.